Hey, so I just thought I'd show you the club special trailer. I don't have my normal camera with me today, so we're going to do it this way. So basically, as far as your trailer goes, mechanical brakes on the front, so that means that you don't need the electric brake control in the car. Big 100mm drawbar, so it's nice and strong. All fully engineered chassis. 15-inch wheels gives you more clearance over the gutters, so when you're going up gutters and stuff like that, if you have to go some rough areas, it's much more helpful. Your drop down jacks for support. They're not designed to lift the trailer up, but they're designed to be available for you. Then underneath here, you've also got your grey water tank and your fresh water tank in there. Over here, the barbecue little fold out area here. This area here is really designed, so if you think about this, that's the passenger side. So if you're serving, you can put different things there for serving, or put another esky or something there if you like. This one's got the optional gas hooked up, so the two gas bottles mounted on the drawbar. Heavy duty jockey wheel, a little bit more room on the drawbar there for different things. In here you've got your pump, and then also your hot water unit that's sitting inside there. Your 3 sinks for proper council compliance. The optional eskies. This one here, you can also have a fridge in this area as well. A couple of power points there, spare if required. Obviously, massive barbecue. Okay, massive barbecue area underneath, so if you need to keep it clean, etc, etc. So overall, this is the club special. All 3 sides are open, so it's a nice trailer if you want fundraising. It can be turned into a coffee trailer as well. You can work outside of it. So that's your club special. All the doors lock as well. It's probably worthwhile mentioning. So you can push these down, they've got locks on them. I'm not going to shut it because I'd have to fold that in. But that should help you understand the club special trailer.